Brad Biznett with Cole Publishing here, and I've got my friend Jody from Vac-Con. How are you doing today, Jody?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, you bet. So, Jody, I'm familiar with your combo trucks, I'm familiar with your jetter trailers, but this here looks like kind of a combination of the two. Tell me what we have going on.
So you're absolutely right. This is just like our jetter trailer that you've seen many times,
Sure.
our jetter trucks that you've seen. Same thing, same controls, all that. It operates, it's a big old jetter. But
Okay.
the biggest difference is we now put a vacuum on it.
Okay.
So now it's more of a combo, a hybrid, if you will.
Okay.
So you can go and vacuum lines what you need to, valve boxes, things like that. You can treat it as a hydro excavator because it comes with a hydro excavation package also.
Okay.
So on this specific model, you got 600 gallons of water, 150 gallons of debris.
Okay.
So, for those jobs where you don't necessarily need one of our big combination machines or
Sure.
even one of our big hydro excavator machines, you could bring this one in. Contractors, municipalities, they're going to use it for, preventive maintenance, go jet lines, do, vacuum jobs. If you needed it for emergency response, late
Sure.
at night, something like that, this is a machine you could roll out there.
Quick job on a weekend
Absolutely.
or something like that? Okay.
Really, and just like our jetter trailers, really easy to operate.
Sure.
Same exact controls from the jetter standpoint, and then you've got one button we add for the vacuum. So it makes it really easy.
Super versatile,
Absolutely.
easy to use.
Absolutely. And I'm glad you said versatile because we do this one, as you see, this is on a Zuzu chassis, but
Okay.
we also offer it on a Ford F600. So we can do some different things there. We can do some different water capacities too when we need to.
As always, Vac-Con's got options.
That's correct.
Right?
Absolutely.
Super
We're
flexible.
going to do what the customer needs.
That's awesome. Where can somebody go to get more information, Jody?
So thank you for asking. They can go to our website. That's going to be the best place. That's www.vaccon.com. There they can find their local dealer, reach out to them. They can reach out to me. We love to talk to our customers and ask them the questions and see what we can help them with.
As always, that was excellent, Jody. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.